A matrix is just an array or block of numbers. It's used to take a coordinate or a whole map and translate it somewhere else. This is how we multiply out a matrix. If we have a matrix A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and we use it to transform the coordinate 2, 3, we write it like this. And we use the analogy of jugs and glasses to remember how to multiply it out. The matrix is the jugs, wide and shallow, and they are poured into the glass, which is tall and narrow. We multiply the corresponding components together and then add them to get the transformed coordinate. So we pour this jug into this glass and we multiply the components and then add them. So we get 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3. Then we do the same with this jug. We pour it into this glass and we get 3 times 2 plus 4 times 3. And that's our transformed coordinate. So let's simplify it. It's 2 plus 6 and then 6 plus 12. And that gives us 8 and 18. So the coordinate 2, 3 is mapped by the matrix A to the coordinate 8, 18. Matrices can do all sorts of mappings depending on the numbers in them. We want to rotate our map from a southeast direction to a north direction. That's through an angle of 135 degrees anti-clockwise, or 3 pi by 4 radians. The matrix that will do that for us is B equals cos 135 minus sine 135, sine 135, cos 135. And if we put the numbers in, that's equal to minus 1 divided by root 2, minus 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by root 2, minus 1 divided by root 2. Let's check and see what it does to the coordinate 1, 1. So we have B multiplied by 1, 1 is equal to minus 1 over root 2, minus 1 over root 2, 1 over root 2, minus 1 over root 2, multiplied by 1, 1. So to multiply it out, again, we have jugs poured into glasses. So our first coordinate is minus 1 over root 2 times 1 plus minus 1 over root 2 times 1, which is equal to minus 2 over root 2. And for our bottom coordinate, we pour the bottom jug into the glass and we get 1 divided by root 2 times 1 plus minus 1 divided by root 2 times 1. So they cancel and that's 0. So this simplifies to minus root 2, and this is still 0. So our coordinate 1, 1 is mapped by this matrix to minus root 2, 0. So we can plot that. If we plot 1, 1 here, and minus root 2 here, minus root 2, 0 there, we can see that this matrix does indeed rotate by 135 degrees anti-clockwise.